Eighthly, capitalization. In most cases, we know when to use capitalization, such as person name, place name, and sentence beginning. Proper use of capitalization can improve the performance of the article. If signs of words that cannot be capitalized appear at the beginning of a sentence, it is best to find a way to adjust the structure of the sentence. Terms used as derivative words or adjectives need not be capitalized. Gram-negative bacterial Western blot analysis. Let's look at some examples. T-tests were used in the analysis. This sentence had the wrong expression, but this sentence is right. The T-test was used for each set of data. pH was carefully controlled. This sentence could be accepted because the first letter P doesn't need to be capitalized, but it is not so standardized. The better way is the pH was carefully controlled. First, alpha-toluene was used, accepted. Second, the solvent alpha-toluene was used, accurate. Number 3, qPCR was used to measure the samples. This sentence could be improved. The samples were measured with qPCR. Ninthly, abbreviation. Abbreviations are usually composed of capitalized letters, but in the case of full spelling, only the first letter of the word is capitalized. Dye-sensitized solar cell, DSSC. National Center for Nanoengineering and Technology, NCNET. If it's plural, make sure S also appears in the abbreviation. Carbon nanotubes, CNT. It is wrong. Carbon nanotubes, CNTS. That's right. Do not use abbreviations if they appear only once in a full text. In general, abbreviations should appear more than 3 times in both the abstract and the text. Otherwise, they are unnecessary, even if they are very common in your professional field. Lastly, colon or semicolon. The correct use of colons and semicolons is important for clarity. A colon is used to introduce, quote, or interpret a series of things. Semicolons are used to split a long sentence into 2 related parts and to list multiple word phrases to avoid confusion. Examples. Although graphene-based electronics are still a possibility in the future, short-term applications include battery parts and fuel emitters. This sentence is wrong. An example of the compound can be found at http://bit.co.jp net. Two metals were used. Titanium, due to its conductivity properties, magnesium for its tensile strength. It's wrong. There are a number of journals suitable for manuscripts in the field of organic chemistry. Organic Electronics and a Journal of Electroanalytic Chemistry, both published by Elsevier. Applied Magnetic Resonance, published by Springer, and the Journal of. They're correct. When using semicolons to split sentences, make sure you use them only once in a sentence. Semicolons cannot replace commas or periods. The first sentence after the semicolon should not be capitalized.